Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that the January Patch Tuesday updates is, I guess, showing us on the part of Microsoft and on the Windows team is that the quality control of the updates is really not well done. And there are two types of problems that can arrive with a Windows update problem. There's the ones that are specific to a very, to hardware. These are tougher to get, and I can understand that you might have issues related to very specific hardware that Microsoft did not or could not test itself because they can't have a billion configurations to test the updates. They have machines. They have, a certain number of computers that have different hardware, but it's not, they can't test everything. So there's a minimum of problems that I can understand it could happen due to the hardware or a specific situation in which PCs are used. But the January update actually showed a different thing. It showed that it's not dependent on hardware. It's not dependent on very, specific issues of only a handful of people. It was creating problems with Microsoft's own way of working, the cloud connections, the different core apps that didn't work well for some, things like that. That is a clear example that Microsoft's own quality control of the Windows updates is flawed and is bad and needs to be changed. That is not normal that it went through. It is not normal that it was not detected in any way. There are ways to test these things. And I always think about the fact that why is Microsoft not using the release preview ring of the Windows Insider program with security updates? If you notice, you get the bug fixing updates in advance. If you're on release preview, you will get those a week, 2 weeks before sometimes. Sometimes they appear almost, a day after the Patch Tuesday security updates for people in the release preview. And those are tested. And those are tested because, they could be tested for a week or two in that ring. And that actually gives you all the configuration and the real world out there in types of PCs. I am a firm believer that the Windows Insider program is useful if done right. Unfortunately, you will notice that in Windows updates, they do not release the security updates even a few days before to the insiders. And I'm sure that could help tremendously. It could help in the case of a very specific issue that would be happening with very specific hardware. They know about it. The telemetry would give all the data. But it would also have the people tell you immediately, look, this is wrong. This doesn't work. This has a problem now since this update is there. And they could have seen those problems with the people giving out the feedback. But obviously, something's wrong, and I think Microsoft needs to really, really reassess how they test updates. Because not only is this, and could this be a huge problem for people, it actually removes, we say Microsoft has a trust issue. Well, this ain't helping. And this, I just can't understand why that quality control of Windows updates is so bad. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.